What if I told you that money is not complicated? It's just never taught properly? Every day, millions of people earn money, but very few truly understand it. They save blindly, invest randomly, and hope for the best. This is not a story about getting rich overnight. This is a story about understanding money step by step. This channel exists to change that, step by step, logically and practically. Money comes and goes. Markets rise and fall. But knowledge, once earned, compounds for a lifetime. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The smartest investors don't chase tips. They build understanding. When you invest in knowledge, every decision earns returns. Before we talk about money, we must understand how money really works, because knowledge compounds before money does. Welcome to MR FinEdge. It is a complete finance knowledge journey, designed to take you from absolute beginner to financial expert. No jargon overload, no fake promises, no shortcuts, just clear concepts, real-life examples, and structured learning, exactly how finance should be taught. What makes this channel unique? Most finance channels teach isolated topics. One video on saving, another on stocks, another on trading. But finance is not random knowledge. It is a system. Here, every topic connects to the next. Like building floors of a skyscraper. You will not just watch finance. You will understand, apply, and master it. Let's begin our journey with the step-by-step finance roadmap. Step 1. Finance basics. We start from zero. What is money? Income versus expenses. Assets versus liabilities. Why most people stay broke despite earning well. This stage is about financial awareness. Understanding where money comes from, where it goes, and why it never seems enough. If you understand this stage properly, you already think smarter than 80% of people. Step 2. Personal finance and budgeting. This is where financial discipline begins. We focus on controlling money before it controls our decisions. Expense tracking, intelligent budgeting systems, emergency funds, structured debt management, and the real truth about credit cards. Once awareness begins, control follows. This is where budgeting, saving, and discipline enter the picture. You are no longer reacting to money. You are planning for it. This is where financial discipline is built. Step 3. Savings, taxes, and inflation. Money saved incorrectly loses value silently. Here you will learn how inflation eats your money, smart saving instruments, tax basics explained simply, legal ways to reduce tax burden. This is the turning point when money stops being the goal and starts becoming the tool. At this stage, you learn patience, discipline, and the power of time. This is where your money starts working smarter. Step 4. Investing from beginner to advanced. Now we move from safety to growth. This is where wealth begins to compound through stocks, mutual funds, and bonds. We introduce fundamental analysis, understand risk versus return, build long-term investing strategies, and decode market psychology. No tips, no hype, only logic-based investing. Here, you stop guessing and start analyzing. Because price is what you pay, value is what you get. You are no longer buying stocks. You are evaluating businesses. Step 5. Trading and advanced market skills. If you want to go deeper into markets, we take you through trading fundamentals, technical and fundamental analysis, futures and options, disciplined risk management, and the mindset of a true professional. Markets move not just on numbers, but on fear and greed. Here, discipline matters more than prediction. This is skill-based finance, not gambling. Step 6. Thinking like a finance professional. The final stage is mastery of perspective, institutional style thinking, capital allocation strategies, scalable wealth models, clear, repeatable decision frameworks. An expert doesn't chase profits. They manage risk, emotions, and decisions with discipline. Here, finance stops being theory and becomes practical life intelligence. This is where finance becomes a life skill, not just knowledge. This channel is for students confused about money, working professionals living paycheck to paycheck, beginners afraid of finance, anyone who wants financial clarity, not confusion. This channel is not about shortcuts. It is about clarity, structure, and financial independence earned through knowledge. No matter where you are today, beginner or experienced, this journey starts one step at a time. If you are serious about learning finance properly, you're in the right place. What to expect going forward? Each video going ahead will include clear explanations, practical examples, visual learning, step-by-step logic, zero unnecessary complexity. Think of this channel as your personal finance classroom. Final word. This channel is not about shortcuts. It is about clarity, structure, and financial independence earned through knowledge. Because finance is not about getting rich fast. It's about never being financially weak again. No matter where you are today, beginner or experienced, this journey starts one step at a time. Finally, I would like to end this section by a quote. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. If you want to understand money, control your finances, and build wealth intelligently, then subscribe, stay curious, and take control of your financial future, step by step. Keep learning, keep improving, and let your education work for you. Finance is a skill. Learn it once. Use it for life. I hope you found this video valuable. I'd appreciate your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If this content added value to you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos.